Today the sun is shining but not as bright as your faces. A very cozy and healthy good morning to all the students. Today I'm going to tell you about a great freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest leader of India. He is famous by the name of Netaji. He gave up his life for his motherland. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father was a famous lawyer. Netaji was a brilliant student who had scored the second position in the matriculation exam. He completed his BA honors in philosophy in 1918 from the University of Calcutta. He later went to England in September 1919 for further studies. He was selected for the Indian Civil Services, but he did not want to stay in England and serve the British government. So he quit his job and started fighting for the freedom of India. He was inspired by the Chittaranjan Das, a freedom fighter, and in short time joined independence fight of India. He spread his messages through his paper called Swaraj. He was against British regulation and promoted Indian diplomacy. My dear students, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose had formed Azad Hind Fauj. He coined the term Jai Hind. His charisma and powerful personality inspired many people into the freedom struggle and continues to inspire India. My dear students, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave a famous quote. He said, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." He believed that freedom is not given, it is taken. No real change in history can be achieved by discussions. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself into 1,000 lives. His dream of an Indian army remained unfulfilled due to his untimely death in the year 1945 when his plane crashed under mysterious circumstances. Though Netaji is no more in this world, yet his name will ever shine. We will always be counted as one of the greatest martyrs of the country. He was an incredible pioneer and Indian patriot who battled bravely in World War II for the independence of India from the Britishers. He was the pioneer of radical juvenile and wing of Indian National Congress. My dear students, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose even passes away. He still exists with his lively patriotism in the hearts of the Indian individuals as an eternal motivation. The incredible works and contribution of Netaji have been pointed out in the Indian history as a memorable occasion. It has been an honor to relive Bose's vision with this brief sketch of his life. Hope we all together to make it a reality. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.